Edo Governor Obaseki don't promise to host the African Footballer of the Year, and Edo State-born Victor Osimhen after Nigeria defeats South Africa 4-2 on penalties after 1-1 score line for the end of the 120 minutes of play. Obaseki talked this one after he watched the match for Ring Road for Benin City for one of the viewing centers where they provided by administration to ensure Edo youth watch the game. He can commend the Super Eagles for their wonderful performance, wey make the nation proud and united for the course of the game.
They're very good. We can't thank Osimhen enough, and all these young stars. I mean, they've made us very, very proud. Oh, definitely.
Chief of Staff to Edo Governor Dr. Sagbavo Iyoha, wey join body with the governor go watch the match for the King Square, come talk say belle sweet and move out the final result of the game, and contrary salute give the players as they make Naija proud.
What a match. Congratulations Nigerians, congratulations Super Eagles. See you in the finals. It was a wonderful game. I want to thank the governor, Obaseki, for creating this atmosphere. You can see the mammoth crowd. We have 9 locations today, including the hometown of Nigeria's number 9, Victor Osimhen. As you also know, Onyeka was born in Benin, and we have one of our own, Osai Samuel, in the team. So congratulations Edo State, congratulations Nigeria.
Super Eagles fan wey watch the match for the King Square contrary salute give Governor Obaseki administration wey create center for citizens to watch the game and talk say them hope say Super Eagles go win the match.
The match sweet us. I will get us now we get the cup. Our advice to God is make it encourage the youth and make it give us better feed.
Make Nigeria come back to the normal football. We
Nigeria! Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.